In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Calendly to your Framer website. So the first step is to simply go to Calendly, and then what you're going to have to do is simply click on share on the meeting or your Calendly section here event that you want to add to your Framer website. Then we're going to have to select add to website. Now, once you do that, we're going to have to select inline embed here and then click on continue. Now we're going to have to simply click on copy code and then simply go to our Framer website. Now from here on the left side, click on insert and then scroll down to utility and then simply click on embed. So here we're going to have to simply select HTML as you can see on the right side and then simply paste the code. And then we're going to have to simply wait until this loads up. And then here we have our event. And as you can see, we can resize this and we can place it wherever we want on our Framer website. And basically, that's all we have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.